are nice. Here's this truck again, except this time he's hauling a mulch trailer, I guess that's what that is. International over here. Ooh. Yeah, he's got to stop because you don't want to like butt a train if it blows up or anything. Tracks here, Dakota trains, and random people over there and stuff. And there's a mini dot thingy, so I'm gonna go deaf. You wanna go deaf? Your phone would work. And the mini dot thingy. Buddy, look over here. Oh, really? Wow. Why doesn't that company like us anymore? It didn't, but it's still good. Ow, my ears. Different than maybe. There's two of them. Oh. 10-4, good buddies, ladies. I like how much tread he's got on those tires. No. This is probably probably the most original trailer I've seen that truck pulling. Polly back there getting patient. No one's moving for the dumpster, I'm guessing. I think he's trying to make the corner, and unless something's going on down there. What's happening?
Okay. You freaking out?
Polly's like, my wheels aren't turning, I'm not making any money, let's go. Oh, Uncle Polly's got a mean truck will push that Mack right out of the way even though it's loaded.
I don't want to put a dent in the bucket.
Like Nicabella did. I don't know. But what I do know, yeah, what I do know is we can't have people stop on the tracks here. Why though? Why would he? Maybe it was that crap Jake brake. Oh yeah, so the smart Mac's gonna go around him. Well, whatever. Polly's like, oh, he's letting Polly out. Gary Gray's back there coming down there. Something must be wrong. Yeah. Yeah, even one blast buddy, like, I'm going this way. Missed it. Union Pacific knockoff logo. You gonna do it this time? Oh, Jake brake. You're in reverse. Come, buddy, hold on. No. What the heck? I got you one time. The oversized load pulled by piece of plastic. You gonna make it? A lot of wheels on there. Hey, buddy. Woo! I don't think he's gonna make it through here without hitting something. Blue. Woo! Whoa! They sound different. You can wait on them. See if it works. And the lead cars following him. Don't bring more giant houses through here. We don't need it. I don't think we need the hassle. Hello, Volvo. You probably have a mini loud thingy, maybe. No, your valve though.